day 2 of the Road to Rex December Day Trading Challenge. We have about 5 minutes until the market opens. 5 minutes. Just to give you guys an idea of the trades that we're going to play out today. So we're going to buy some put options on SPY today. The futures imply that the market is down. It's about down 8-9 points. It could be a down day. It could be a sell-off. I mean, if you look at the charts, it's been pretty up. So we're just going to take the other side. We're going to buy some puts that expire today at the end of the day. So those are they're either going to make us a lot of money or they're going to lose a lot of money. Strategy we're rolling with on day 2 of the December Day Trading Challenge. Let's go. We're pulling up our accounts. 1 minute until the market opens. So the options that we're going to buy that expire at the end of the day are going to be SPY 363. Currently, as we speak, we're up 270 on the day. It's been 3 minutes. I feel like you gotta let it run. I mean, I don't know. See, now our position's down. 4 minutes later, our position's down $115. So the first person who likes this video, subscribes, and comments, or on any of my videos, and tells me what this little character is right here. To give you a hint, he's not the guy with the claw from Toy Story. He's not one of those. So don't say that. This little guy. First person who can like, subscribe, and tell me who this guy is will get 20 bucks. So update, market has been slowly creeping up all day. I mean, you gotta flip a coin, right? It's like, is the market gonna be up today or is it gonna be down? We chose down. We chose wrong. So far, I am considering potentially closing position soon. We're just gonna do a little recap here. Today was a good day, considering the puts were not very favorable. The big story of the day was this stock right here. KSHB was the stock that we held on to yesterday. We didn't want to get rid of it. We figured, why would we just take a loss? We didn't get rid of it yesterday because the House has not met and discussed the MORE Act, which is why we got in. The House of Representatives is talking about federally decriminalizing marijuana, so that's why weed stocks have been having a big push right now. So I didn't see the point in selling the stock yesterday just because it was on a down day. Today it went up 16%. That was very huge, very good. It went up $600 in value. So that plus the TLRY calls was about 680 profit. However, we did lose on the SPY puts. So our total gain for today was about $380, which has put us back into profit for the December Day Trading Challenge. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. We're going to have a lot more content. Obviously, we're going to be doing the December Day Trading Challenge all throughout every single day that you can trade in December. And so also, don't forget about our little green friend over here.